What's going on, YouTube? I got another unboxing and review today. Today, this company that I'm reviewing is called Sommarnox. I think that's how you pronounce it. But I've seen some of their stuff recently. Fairly new company on Instagram, but I've been seeing some of their stuff and it looks pretty sick. So I got some from them to review. It's gonna be a Moissanite bracelet. I saw it on the website and I'm like, damn, I need that. So I went ahead and I got it, and it finally came in. So we're gonna unbox it and just do the same test that I always do: light test, shine test, diamond test, of course, and then weigh it. But like I said, we're just gonna see how they're coming, see if they're good quality or not. But right now, it's time for the unboxing. So let's get right to it. My package came pretty quick from the time I placed my order to the time it got to my house. It comes in this box. Yeah, so the shipping was pretty quick. They're easygoing people. They're very helpful. When you talk to their Instagram page, they were able to answer all my questions that I had. Let's see, I'm super excited to see what's inside. But like I said, I saw this bracelet on the website and I liked it a lot, so that's why I got it. I'm just gonna open it like this. Right off the bat, it's pretty secure packaging. Comes the box and then bubble wrap. So the package is secure. Okay, so this is the bracelet, obviously. And then here's just the GRA certificate. It says D colored moissanite. I don't know if you can see that, but the report should tell me for sure. The color says D. It's a very detailed card that tells you what you're buying. I like D color stones, they shine the best, honestly. And here's another card it says it's GRA certified. So it's pretty cool. Now let's get to the bracelet. I'm super excited. All right, here we go. I really like how the box is black and it has this kind of gothic font to it. It says Sommarnox. So I'm excited to see what's inside. Okay, so this is a infinity link and clover bracelet. I don't know the name for it, but it looks kind of like this. Well, I'll just wait till I get it out of the wrapper. I mean, this thing is pretty sick. Here's the box it came in. It's very soft. It's got this suede on the inside. Feels really good. This is probably one of the best boxes anything I've ever ordered came in. I can't tell if this is a green or a black. The inside's green for sure, but I mean, the font's really nice. This box feels really good. Okay, this is a 7-inch Moissanite Infinity Link bracelet. I'm really excited to open this. So this is gonna take forever to take this snake skin stuff off. Oh, I can already tell the clasp is what I'm looking for. I'm just gonna unwrap it because I need to show you guys this. All right, so after a long time of messing with it, I kind of found out the cheat code to getting the snake skin off. You just gotta find where to peel it, and it comes off just like this. So far, this bracelet looks pretty cool. All right, finally got it off. Looks pretty sick. So it's got a clover link and it has an infinity link. This is a 925 silver and moissanite bracelet. I like the weight it has. So right off the bat, this is what I was talking about with the clasp. It's like this spring release clasp, and you just click them together and it's pretty secure. I prefer these clasps a lot more than other types of clasps. I can show you real quick. For example, this chain I have right here has got an open box locking type clasp, and over time they just get loose. Like this one, the box doesn't lock anymore. That's one really good thing I have to say about this company, that you could tell that they actually hand make their jewelry. All right, so let's do some close-ups real quick. I love the look of new jewelry when you first unbox it. The stones are shiny as ever. This thing is so clear. So let me try it on. Let me see how it feels. My wrist is kind of skinny, so that's why I ordered a 7-inch. Let's see how it fits. All right, so this just barely fits me, but I kind of like it because it's super secure. I actually like this a lot. Wow. Yeah, this looks pretty cool on my wrist. But yeah, I can still move it around. It's not tight or anything. The look on this bracelet is pretty shiny. Definitely a piece that stands out. Just like that. Look at the polish on the back. Hold on, let me wipe this off. It says silver 925 on the back. The polish is perfect on this. And it hangs pretty straight. So this is definitely a high quality piece. All the links are pinned together. So that's how this bracelet is able to roll and keep its shape and not like flail around. I think that's a plus with this bracelet. So now I'm just ready to do some tests with it, see how much it weighs, diamond test obviously. And I'll probably give you my final thoughts towards the end. But yeah, this is the 7-inch Moissanite Infinity Link and Clover bracelet on Sommarnox's website. I'm gonna link everything in the description. I'm also gonna give you my discount code. It's Gonzo, Gonzo. So if you enter that code, you'll get a discount on this bracelet or anything on their website. Look at that shine, just like with regular room lighting. This thing has a nice refractive index to it. All right, so here's a little close-up of the box and the bracelet. Here's what the back looks like. And then here's what the clasp looks like. All right, so now that my Supreme diamond tester is warmed up, we're gonna go ahead and give this a diamond test. It goes all the way up. So this thing is legit. It passes the diamond tester. Let's go ahead and weigh it. So we're gonna go here. This thing's on grams. 42.3 grams. Not too bad for a bracelet this size. So here's what the bracelet looks like in some dull, plain sunlight. You can see all the stones are pretty clear, not cloudy. Here's my flash test of the bracelet. So it's got some good shine to it. Let me see if I can get it out of focus. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Here's all the colors popping. All right, here's a sunlight test. Looks pretty good in the sun. Definitely pops on your wrist. Like I said, the company's called Sommarnox. They're on Instagram. Overall, this bracelet is like a 10 out of 10. I like the quality of it. I like how it's handmade and the polish is really nice. Just everything about this bracelet, the design is pretty cool. And I mean, like I keep saying, like it's just in basic sunlight and it's shining pretty good. Looks clear as ever, looks pretty sharp. Clover and infinity links go together so good. And the clasp. This thing fits like a glove. Shout out to Sommarnox for this opportunity to review one of your pieces. Like I said, my discount code is Gonzo if you want to check out their website, maybe pick something up. You can tell that their quality jewelry is handmade. The box that this bracelet came in was very presentable. I appreciate you, Sommarnox. Yeah, just go ahead and buy one of these. I mean, this one's pretty cool. With the purchase of any Moissanite piece from this company, you'll get a GRA certificate, which certifies that your pieces are valid. It tells you everything you need to know about what you're getting. It comes in a really protective wrap, so it won't get damaged during shipping. So if you have any questions, just let me know or let the company know. The company's called Sommarnox. I'm gonna link them down in the description. I appreciate you guys for watching. Yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.